Welcome to a very warm, sunny Friday afternoon at the Sawmill. Why are we here, Dan? Something very, very fun, special is happening, isn't it?
Yeah, we're having a cricket club versus hockey club T20 and barbecue and beer evening.
Sounds marvellous. This is something that happens annually where a selection of cricket club players play a selection of hockey club players and other hockey players. Not everyone plays for Sanderstead.
And some people do both, don't they? Who are you playing for today, T?
So I'm playing for the hockey team today. I do play hockey, although not for Sanderstead. Richard, sorry, it's just one of those things. Yeah. Keezy, Richard Key plays for both. Matt Harris plays for both. Sonny Reese plays for both. They're all playing for the hockey team today. And a number of players that I'm sure you know are playing for the cricket team. Who have we got? We got.
Yeah, I don't know actually. Josh is playing.
Josh is playing.
Brandon, I think Jalen's going to turn up.
Is he? Yeah. Jacko as well.
Jacko, very good.
So it should be a lovely evening. The weather is shown up, which is perfect.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful.
It should be a good evening.
It should be good. And what's going on behind?
Groundsmen are hard at work preparing the ground. It looks absolutely lovely. The pitch, we might go and have a closer look at the pitch.
Let's go do that now.
So we've got this beautiful trio who have been preparing this for us. Matt Harris, who's a groundsman day to day, is that right?
Yeah, well, kind of. Stelson Park Golf Course.
Tricky, who just loves to help out, and Brandon, who has been doing some bits and bobs. I'm not going to talk about this. You're the experts.
And it is flat, so hopefully you get a bit turned for the spin.
Good.
Yeah.
And a little bit early on with the new ball, and also potentially some run score out of it.
I have to say, it does look good. Matty Harris, what do you reckon is a good score here today?
We're playing a 20-20 in a hockey side that don't really play cricket. Let's be honest.
Yeah,
so anything.
40.
Pardon? 40. I was going to say anything above 30, really.
Okay, 30 for the hockey
30,
side. But generally, on a day-to-day
on a day-to-day, I would say you're looking at 200 plus on this.
200 plus? Big scores.
Short boundaries.
Well,
I agree.
Hopefully we live up to expectations today. This pitch, according to Matt Harris, is going to give us 200 plus runs in an innings. That's over 400 runs today.
Yeah.
I hope it happens.
There we go. There's Brandon mowing the next track. And there's Matt marking out the lines. Lovely stuff. Here
we are behind the ever-familiar Sanderstead Cricket Club bar. We are here just stocking up for the evening. Kirsty's been helping. Keezy, the bar manager, is around somewhere. Just over there. Give us a wave. There it is. I saw it. You didn't. Look like that. Come in. We, of course, have a lovely selection of Pilgrim on draft, on tap. Looking forward to having one of those. Cheesy, give us 3 words.
Hockey, cricket,
beer. That sounds good to me, and that's our mantra for today. Quick talk about the bell.
Didn't ring it.
Oh dear, do we tell them what happens when the bell rings? I don't think so. Charlie's down there as well, looking handsome. Anyway, that's the dog, by the way. Oh, anyway, bye. Time for a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. We like a bit of behind the scenes, don't we, Dan?
We do.
Absolutely.
We do.
We'll take you into the parts of the club you might not have seen.
Nice little tour.
A little tour. I think we'll start in here. This is our umpires changing room. This is where the big wigs talk about the game, talk about their decisions, how good and bad they were. Very comfortable, spacious for 2 people. There's an umbrella in there, big one, not sure why.
A mirror.
Couple of hangers on the wall. Mirror, they got to look presentable, haven't you?
Yeah.
Stand in there, make sure your jacket's done up nicely, your hat's on straight. Super. If you turn around, Dan, this is the away changing room. This is where the hockey team are going to be based today. Not the biggest change room in the world, but it does. Hooks on the wall, couple of showers out back.
Shall we look at the showers?
Just a standard. We can have a look at the showers.
They're a bit grim, I think.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it, but there we are. Showers, they work. It's a miracle. Cool. We'll hop next door. That's where the magic happens, I suppose. Now, this is the home changing room. Now, all you cricketers out there, I'm sure will have your own home change rooms. The lights work. No surprise. Oh, there they are. Every cricketer, I think, really has their own space in the changing room. My space, ever since I've played here, has been right here.
Cool.
Right, as you come in through the door, I like to welcome people in. I like to say goodbye to people going out. Tricky's over in that corner always, that's his bag.
You're
just
joking,
there.
that was my space.
Really?
When I played.
Tricky's taken your space?
Yeah.
This is Trick's
That's
bag,
not
still
right.
got his tag on from Australia, look at that, he can't let it go.
Wow.
At least he had fun. Lockie, Longcock, sits right here. Yeah, it all happens, everyone has their own space, I'm sure. Again, showers, they do work, there's a toilet in there, and a skylight.
That's nice,
How
that's nice.
fancy. Slightly bigger than the away one as well, which is important. This is the main kind of club room. This is where we have our teas. There's a dartboard, a couple of TVs for all the big sports. Bar stool, there's bar stools everywhere. There's the bar manager working hard, we like to see it. All the usuals as well. We've got a couple of stats on the wall, fixtures, some pictures from various tours. The Harley Sherlock Memorial Sawmill,
yes.
2018.
Fantastic.
Not a lot else to show, really. Here's the bar stool, filled with beer and lovely, lovely soft numbers. And finally, not that anyone would want to see this, but this is the kitchen. Not the biggest kitchen, but does the job. Yeah, there you go. Just a nice village club, really. We enjoy it here. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. I think I'm going to go get ready for the game.
I think you should. Thank you, T.
Cheers, guys.
Fabulous.
Hi, Lance. Thank you for giving us your time. Sorry, we're disturbing your shandy.
Sorry, mate.
You're here today, obviously playing for the cricket club side. You must count yourself a little bit lucky to have been chosen. Are you match fit? Are you ready to go?
Well, I haven't been match fit for about 18 years, but that's beside the time. I think what happened was they wanted a scorer, and they've had a dropout, so they've got a spare development kit that's my size, so I've
they
made
have
the team.
children's sizes, so you're going to be okay.
So I'm in the team for that. I think that's all I'm in for.
And do you think you're suited to this T20 format? I'm not sure it's really your style of game, is it?
If the boundaries moved into the edge of the square, I'm your man.
Okay, no, that's
But
good to know.
anything beyond that is beyond me.
Yeah, super. We're obviously against each other today. Anything to say on that?
Yeah, I think competition is good between mates.
Yeah.
It's good for the
heart, the mind, and the soul. The what?
Whole. I said whole. Soul.
Soul.
Job done.
Soul. Excellent. Grumpy has joined us, surprisingly.
Mr. Grumpy.
Mr. Grumpy to me. Grumps, you're umpiring today, no doubt terribly.
Yes.
You look forward to it?
Looking very much forward to it and bringing in some new rules to cricket.
Some new rules. Give us one of your new rules today.
We're going to have 5 ball overs.
5 ball overs.
We're going to bowl from one end only
Bowl from one end.
for 10 overs. And then
Right.
we're going to go out the other end because the grounds will complain. And
Yep.
we're going to bowl 10 from the other end.
Sounds good. I'm assuming you've already decided what decisions you're going to give when.
Yes, they're already pre-planned.
Perfect. And is that a new hat for the occasion?
No, that's a special umpiring hat.
Your special umpiring hat
Yeah.
for special occasions only, no doubt.
Yes.
One word for Charlie.
One word for Charlie. How Charlie? Charlie? That's 2.
Charlie, 2 words.
2 words.
We'll leave it there.
Oh, another law.
Oh, no, we won't.
We're going to have another law of 2 for a wide, no extra balls.
2 for a wide, no extra balls. Sounds good to me.
It sounds excellent. I've dismissed.
Avers, thanks for your time. You might not know Avers. Avers played for the club a few years ago, was one's
lad.
keeper batsman.
Big
Gun batsman, a bit like a Adam Gilchrist, is that right?
more of a, I don't know, more of a roots. Just solid.
Yeah. I
Focused.
recall one innings, Avers, where you hit 22 or 5 balls, is that
I
correct?
did to win the match,
Yeah.
against Hawley in the cup,
Nice.
and I retired off the back of that.
Oh,
so
fond memories. Fond memories.
That's how I roll, mate.
Also a hockey player as well. I've had the pleasure of playing cricket
right.
and hockey with you.
Big players, I know. We try, mate. We try. We enjoy what we do. Beautiful club, whatever
Lovely
sport,
club.
come rain or shine. We love it. Any
That's it.
sport, you name it, I'm all over it.
Great to have
So
you.
you're keeping today, are you?
I think so, unless you want to do it.
I'm going off 6 paces. 6 paces, so I don't know what that means.
I think we're all looking
keeper-wise.
forward to it. Harris, thanks for helping prepare the wicket for today. I thought over to you, mate. You can ask the questions.
Why? Oh, fuck it. You really put me on the spot.
Joined out of the middle for the toss with our chief umpire Derek Rushforth, our 2 captains Alex Larkham and Josh McKinnon. Josh, you have the coin.
I do.
Oh, so have I. Let's have 2. Go on.
Oh, I'll call twice. I'm much better at tossing.
Top topper.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
That's the tiniest coin I've ever seen.
Derek, this is your job, isn't
No,
it?
it's a tiny guy.
It's a tails.
Where is it?
Oh, I think we'll have a ball. Thank you. That's surprising. Yeah, surprising. Yeah, I think you should bet. Yeah. Cool. No worries.
News from the middle is that the hockey team bat first.
Correct.
The cricket club won the toss and have put the hockey club into bat. Tyler Ward opening for the hockey club. He does play hockey. And opening with Martin Avers, who used to play cricket for us. Very good player. Josh McKinnon opening up the bowling with his silly mullet on. Oh, and there's another 4. Tricky Wilson now, bowling a bit of off spin with mullet. And no one out there. That's 4. Ooh, Avers goes aerial. It's just bouncing short. There we go. Lovely 4. Nicely played there from T. And that's over Lance, as is everything, for 6. Ooh, that's a horrible ball, and he's put it over for 6. Shot from T. Lance Harris coming on to bowl against Matt Harris, who's just come in because Tyler's had to retire. I think it's a sort of 25 and retire here.
That's great.
He's off the mark with a 4.
Well done, Georgie.
A bit of quality there with Jackson. George Jackson on the square leg boundary. Marvellous stuff.
Oh my word.
No one there for that one. Well, as Joss has just said, this is as village as it gets. Jacko now mixing mullet with perm. Ooh, and trying to bowl a little bit of leg spin and smoked for 4 by Matt Harris. Oh, fantastic. Saka, you may be a meme again.
No, I know that bit.
It's a magnificent one-handed catch, but it was a 6. And that's tossed up and bowled. So
my wicket.
let's have a look. We're 64 for 1. Alex Larkham at 4, chairman of the hockey club. So Jacko for another over of leg spin. Well bowled. Tremendous Yahoo there.
Geography.
Nothing from Patrick. Sandeep come on for a bit of leg spin. Seems like it's the way to go today. Well bowled. And that's played on. That was probably some of the worst cricket you'll see this season.
Before Sunday.
Yeah, everything about it was dreadful. That's 68 for 2. It's the 9th over. Sonny Reese in there, and it's put a tremendous bit of fielding there. That's Keith's dad there. Howard Dawes on now for a bit of left arm filth. Predictable result. And that's caught out there. Brandon. Fantastic. Yeah, he looks pretty chuffed with himself. And why not? Get a handshake from the first team skipper.
Can't say no.
A nice little one-handed catch there from the Cornish Coley, Lance Harris there. Seemingly. Holfors makes no mistake with that one. Dom Knowles batting now. Well, he was. It's short but sweet.
That's about it.
Dan Hiscott comes in. Hockey club secretary. What a fine full defensive shot that was. Well, it's around about 100 for 6. It's the 14th over, and the quality of this game has taken a bit of a dive. Oh, nice. Clean bowled. So you don't really need to appeal for that, mate. And that's another piece of quality cricket there.
Oh, through your legs. Oh.
Nice.
So,
Saddle's giving chase. He doesn't want to spill any.
go on, Sammy.
And they come back for a second. Saddles comes on for a bit of right arm filth. And another one-handed catch there from the Cornish Coley.
Casey, stay
But it's
there.
a no ball. Oh dear. Jallan coming on, bit of left arm round. Dear oh dear. Actually, it looked a little bit like Derek bowling properly. Oh, a bit of turn there. Interesting action, doesn't so much bowl, it just sort of pushes it out there. That was dreadful.
Adam Desmond's feral children.
Ah, that's well bowled. 9 down now. 122. Last over. Keezy puts it into the crowd for 6. Oh, Richard Key there. He bats, he bowls. He does the bar. He swings it both ways and the ball. But this is just going to be a single, I think. Ah, and that's hit away in fine style. Up to Farley Golf Club. 4 runs there. Bit of leg spin there.
Oh, no.
And Sandeep takes the catch. Fell into Jallan's trap. Bowling a horrible full toss, but there we go. That's the way it is. That's 136. All out. So 137 to win for the cricket club. Quite a crowd gathered here on this Friday evening. People bringing their families, and very much a family club here at Sanderstead. Matt Harris go open the bowling as Sanderstead Cricket Club try and chase down 137 to win off 25 ball overs. Off the mark, Tricky Wilson batting with SJ. Dom Knowles on now. I think he's the captain of the hockey team. If he's not, he should be, but that's smacked out. Super bit of fielding there. Lovely work at slip there. Alex Larkham, Hockey Club chairman. Martin Avery doing the bowling. Ooh, that could be out. And it is. Top edge there. Tricky rather pleased with that. So Brandon batting there, he's off the mark straight away. That's put away, and that's going to be 1 bounce for. And another 4. Looking to pull everything onto the leg side. And then just for a bit of variety, backs away and smacks it for extra cover. It's actually quite a nice shot. Nicely played, Tricky. Reverse pull off his face. That's over him. Coming back for 2. So Tricky has to retire. Richard Key, second 11 captain, comes on the bowl. No doubt he's going to swing it both ways, and the ball. Bowling at outdoors. Well, Cricket Club just falling a little bit behind the run rate here, but Dawsey will no doubt put that right, and there he goes. The filth ball hit for 4. So Cricket Club needs something like 8 and over to win now. Starting to struggle against this fantastic hockey club bowling. Don't know what you're going to get next. Look at that. Oh, that's gone through for 4. Fielded. Oh, more filth. Good effort, but not good enough. 67 required off 9. Well, that's 4. Ah, that's a lovely shot. Harris, absolutely no chance there. Josh getting the barbecue going there with Kirsty. We've got some fantastic box of meats from Heartier. We'll put a link down below to them, but they deliver boxes of ethically sourced meat. It looks fantastic. We'll get some on film in a bit. So the bar's emptied now. Crowd favourite Polfers comes into bat, and he's only got one thing on his mind. Huge amount of effort went into that one from Polfers. He almost swung himself out of the ground. And another swing and a miss. Oh, that's come straight up in the air. Could be a clash. Well, Dom called for it, and the catcher let him get nowhere near it. Well held. Pub landlord Al Murray coming on to bowl now. Nine and over needed. That could be out again. And it is. That's 2 in 2. So, Jallan facing, and the Cornish Coley has just come in to join him. He's off the mark. Well, 49 needed off 5. That's pretty much 10 and over now. Going for 2. And well, that's out. The Cornish Coley goes. Lost a bit of pace in his old age. So Saddles comes in. 2 big hitters in now, and that's dissected the 2 fielders there. It's a magnificent shot. There we go. 41 off 4. A bit of swing there from the young man. Just the one. Go for the ones here. That's Saddles goes. With 38 Needed off 3. Hockey club have decided to bring on someone to open it up a bit, and that's just missed me. 4 runs. That's a no ball.
Perfect time to turn your
29 needed off 10 balls. And that's, where's that gone? Gone for 4.
I was there earlier, it's horrible.
Well, that's gone miles in the air. And that's big 6. Yeah. Over the trees, into the field, 6 runs.
So we got the ball.
Well done.
We got it. Well done, Sam.
Well done, mate.
Big over there, just 14 now needed off this final 5 ball over. That's going to be probably 2. 12 needed off 4. Ooh, that's a swing and a miss. 12 needed off 3.
Oh, too close, Dom.
That's gone over him for 4. 2 balls, 8 runs, Jacko facing. And that's 6 runs. So, 2 needed off this final ball. Well, maybe not. And that's a tie. That's a tied game. Yes, it's the right result. I think that's probably what the planning was. Super stuff. We're now going to have a barbecue and some pilgrim. Magnificent. And a magnificent sunset to end things off. Cricket and hockey in perfect harmony here at Sanderstead. And we've finally got to barbecue the heartier box. Some magnificent things here, some chicken thighs, some burgers and an array of different sausages, and they're smelling absolutely fantastic. They look glorious, and we're going to eat them in a minute. So thank you very much to heartier.com. Yeah, what do we all say?
I love a heartier sausage.
Yay! Magnificent.
Here we are in amongst everyone. Ace, the drawing skipper, and Dom. Gun. What do you think, chaps? Good day?
I think it was a brilliant game, actually. You know, and it was. I think cricket was the winner, and we should do this more often, really. But the real actual competition is about to start, so we've got a boat race.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll cut to that in a second. Dom, give us one word to sum up your evening here today.
Marvellous.
Marvellous.
Super stuff.
Super stuff. Bit of a Bennett.
Oh, I absolutely loved it, mate.
Super. Well, thanks for showing up, chaps, and thanks for skippering. You did really well. Excellent.
Cheers, mate.
Top draw.
Thanks for keeping.
So this match was tied. So instead of doing a super over like the World Cup, we're doing a boat race.
Cricket's a shit sport.
Cricket on the left, hockey on the right. Whenever you're ready, go!
Come on, keep going, come on! Yes! Come on, come on, Vance, destroy it! Go, come on!
Smashing it!
Come on, Tom! Come on, Tom! That's it!
Go on, let's do it for Manchester.
Come on! Go, Will!
Hockey looking miles ahead.
Who invites a tricky? Who invites a 12-year-old to a boat race? Come on, Casey! Come on, Casey!
So good effort, but hockey are the winners. But really everyone's a winner.
I take part.
Where's Tricky?
Never gonna